Hello everybody. Today we will solve one maths from Cambridge O-Level, Additional Mathematics Paper 1, May-June 2015, Variant 11. Okay. Number 10, solve 4 sin x equals to cosec x for x greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 360 degree. This is the first maths, 10a. Number B, solve n square 3y minus 2 sec 3y minus 2 equals to 0. Here, the angle interval is y greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 180 degree. The third one, solve 10 bracket z minus pi by 3 bracket close equals to root over 3. Here, angle z greater than equals to 0, less than equals to 2 pi radians. The third maths, C number maths, here angle, we have to find out the angle in radian units. So now, try to start, solve this maths, okay? Sin x equals to cosec x. X greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 360 degree. So at first we will write here 4 sin x equals to, we know the formula, cosec x equals to 1 by sin x. After that, we will do cross multiplication. So it will be 4 sin square x equals to 1. Now, sin square x equals to 1 by 4. So sin x equals to plus minus root over 1 by 4. So we will get sin x equals to plus 1 by 2 or sin x equals to minus 1 by root 1 by 2. So we want to find out the value of x. So sin x equals to, here, sin x equals to, as it is, half. So x equals to sin inverse half. So we have to convert our calculator into degree mode. Sin inverse half means it is 30 degree. So now we'll search where sin is positive. Between 0 degree to 360 degrees, sin is positive in the first quadrant and second quadrant. This result, it is already in the first quadrant. So second quadrant result will get x equals to 180 degree minus 30 degree. So it will be 150 degree. The second part, sin x equals to minus half. So x equals to sin inverse half. So you just keep the minus outside. Then minus 30. This minus indicate we will search where sign is negative. Sign is negative in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So how we get the third quadrant result? We have to add this 30 with 180 degree. So it will be 210. And another sign is negative also in the fourth quadrant. So if we subtract 30 degree from 360 degree, we'll get the another result where sign is negative. So it will be 330 degree. So final answer x equals to 30 degree, 150 degree, 210 degree, and 330 degree. The number question, 10 square 3y minus 2 sec 3y minus 2 equals to 0. Here angle y greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 180 degree. One very important thing, As here 10 square 3y, so we have to rearrange this interval. So if we multiply 3 with y, it will be 3y. We have to multiply 3 with 0, so it will be 0 degree. And if we multiply 3 with 180 degree, it will be 540. So remember, in this whole maths, this B number maths, our angle, our interval will be 0 degree to 540 degree for 3y. Okay. Now, how can we solve this maths? 10 square 3y. We know that 10 3y means sine 3y by cos 3y. We know this formula. So instead of 10 square 3y, we can write here sine square 3y divided by cos square 3y minus 2. Sec 3y means 1 by cos 3y. This is another formula. Minus 2 equals to 0. After that, we try to do LCM. So LCM result will be cos square 3y. Here it will be sin square 3y minus 2 cos 3y minus 2 cos square 3y equals to 0. After that, we will do cross multiplication. So we will get sin square 3y minus 2 cos 3y minus 2 cos square 3y equals to 0. We know another formula, sin square y plus cos square y equals to 1. So instead of sin square 3y, we can write here 1 minus cos square 3y minus 2 cos 3y minus 2 cos square 3y equals to 0. Now, if we do the bracket, we'll get here 1 minus cos square 3y minus 2 cos 3y minus 2 cos square 3y equals to 0. Now we'll get here. Now, if we simplify here, we'll get minus 3 cos square 3y minus 2 cos 3y plus 1 equals to 0. Now both sides we have to multiply by minus. We will get 3 cos square 3y plus 2 cos 3y minus 1 equals to 0. After that, we will do the factorization. So 3 cos square 3y will be plus 3 cos 3y minus cos 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So 3 cos 3y taking common, we'll get here cos 3y plus 1 minus 1 common. So it will be cos 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So we'll get here cos 3y plus 1 and 3 cos 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Cos 3y plus 1 into 3 cos 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So we can write here cos 3y plus 1 equals to 0. or 3 cos 3y minus 1 equals to 0. At first, we will find out the value of y from cos 3y plus 1. So we can write here cos 3y equals to minus 1. One thing is very important. If we want to find out the value of y, if cos 3y equals to minus 1, it's better to sketch this curve. Okay, if we sketch the cos 3y curve at the point 0, this is 1, 90 degree will be 0, 180 degree it will be minus 1, 270 it will be 0, 360 degree it will be again 1, 540 it will be 0, and 540 450 it will be 0, and 540 it will be again minus 1. So cos 3y is minus 1 where 180 degree and 540. So we can write down 3y equals to 180 degree and 540. That means this angle, this cos 3y is negative 1 when the angle is 180 degree and the angle is 540 degree. So we want y value, so y equals to, if we divide 180 by 3, it will be 60 degree. Another one is 540 divided by 3 is 180 degree. So this is the result of y when cos 2y equals to minus 1. Now the second part. Now 3 cos 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So 3 cos 3y equals to 1. Cos 3y equals to 1 by 3. So 3y equals to, we have to write here, cos inverse 1 by 3. So cos inverse 1 by 3 equals to 70.5 degree. So our interval, remember, our interval is 0 to 540 degree. So we will check where cos is positive. Cos is positive. The first revolution cos is positive in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. So already you get the result in the first quadrant. If you want to get the fourth quadrant result, the 70.5 degree, we have to subtract from 360 degree. So 70.5 degree, if we subtract, we'll get here 289.5 degree. After first revolution, again, cos is positive in the all. So 3y equals to 360 degree plus 70.5. So we'll get here 430.5 degree. So finally we get 3y equals to 70 degree, 70.5 degree, 289.5 degree, and 430.5 degree. But we want the value of y. So y equals to, if we divide all these angles by 3, we'll get here 23.5 degree, 96.5 degree, and 143.5 degree. So our final answer, we can write the final answer here. Y equals to, final answer, y equals to 60 degree, 180 degree, 23.5 degree, 96.5 degree, and 143.5 degree. This is question 10B answer. Now C number 10, first bracket z minus pi by 3 equals to root over 3. Here angle z greater than equals to 0 and less than equals to 2 pi radians. We have to convert our calculator into radian mode, And after that, we have to adjust this angle. Here, the angle is z minus pi by 3. So if we subtract pi by 3 from z, we have to subtract pi by 3 from 0. So it will be minus pi by 3. And if we subtract pi by 3 from 2 pi, it will be 5 pi by 3. Now, we will search all results from this interval. So now see, how can you solve? 10 z minus pi by 3 equals to root over 3. So z minus pi by 3, the whole part is the angle, equals to 10 inverse root over 3. 10 inverse root over 3 in the radian mode, the result will be pi by 3. So pi by 3, it is obvious in the first quadrant result. So 10 is positive in the first quadrant and also in the third quadrant, in the first revolution. So the first quadrant result we get. The third quadrant result, if we want to find out, so we have to write z minus pi by 3 equals to, from here to here, this is pi. So with pi, you have to add the equiangle, pi by 3. So we'll get here 4 pi by 3. Finally, we get z minus pi by 3 equals to pi by 3 and also 4 pi by 3. But we want the value of z only. So z equals to pi by 3 plus pi by 3. This is the one result. That means it will be 2 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Another result will be 5 pi by 3. Final answer z equals to 2 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. If you want to write down the result in the decimal mode, 2 pi by 3 equals to 2.09 and 5 by 3 equals to 5.24. So I think everybody understand this maths. If you have any confusion, you may contact with me. Online maths, we can do everything instantly. We can help each other. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.